Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can update your Apple TV streaming app in your smart TV LG. Now, can you see you need find that app. That is the LG Content Store, or is like your app store or Play Store in your mobile. Now, open this in my TV is that has is this is the color pink, but in your TV maybe can be a color blue or green. Open this and in the trending apps, okay, can you find a Apple TV? If you don't find here Apple TV app, can you open your search bar and write Apple TV? Now open this. Can you see my button say download the last version, update, make update? Touch here and wait that your TV download the last version. Make update and wait that your TV download the last version. And this is all for this video. This is all. Now can you see Apple TV has update with success and I'm finished. Sorry for my English, I know that is awful, but in my bad way, forget more experience when I speak. Have a good day. See you later.